Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Monday. Shares in energy, food, beverage and tobacco, and commercial and professional services sectors, they all closed lower, while shares in banks, insurance, and diversified financials, they gained traction. On the economic docket, the Empire Manufacturing Index decreasing to 22.6 in July from 25 the previous month. Retail sales increasing by 0.5% in June, meeting the estimate for a revised 1.3% in the previous month. Decliners ahead of advancers, 69% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Netflix announcing second quarter EPS of 85 cents versus 15 cents 1 year ago on revenue of $3.91 billion. That's up 28.7% year over year. In addition, international net subscriber additions reaching 4.47 million, below the estimate of 5.06 million, while domestic net subscriber additions coming in at 0.67 million, also below the estimate of 1.21 million. Amazon's website experiencing outages on Monday after its Prime Day sale began, the company announcing on Twitter that some customers are having difficulty shopping and were working to resolve this issue quickly. Turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.44%, the Hang Seng down 1.25%. China CSI 300 down about 0.2%, while South Korea's Kospi down 0.18%. European markets slightly sliding, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Johnson & Johnson second quarter EPS seen at $2.07. Goldman Sachs second quarter EPS seen at $4.66, while Charles Schwab second quarter EPS seen at 58 cents. On the economic docket today, 9:15 in the morning, we have June industrial production expected at 0.5%. 10 o'clock in the morning, the July NAHB housing market index, and in the afternoon, the May total net TIC flows. In terms of the markets, the S&P 500 is where you begin, and that's turning down, while the Nasdaq, that's under pressure, but it's also in focus as the relative strength index is bearish and calls for further downside. Short positions below 73.39 are favored, with targets at 72.95 and 72.65 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones intraday sees the consolidation in place.